Hey guys, Varmata here. How you all doing? So in this video we are going to do the unboxing of the Sony WF-1000XM3. Now they just launched in India for the price of 20,000 Indian rupees, but if you buy them before August 15th you will get it at 18,000 Indian rupees. I will leave a link in the description below, so you can definitely go and check this out. Now this truly wireless earbuds market is really booming, and I think these is the Sony's answer to them in India. uh, Without further ado, let's take a look at the box. This will be the unboxing and initial impressions of the buds. I'll give a full review after using them for some time, so do subscribe to the channel if you want to see that. So let's begin. So looking at the box, as you can see over here, it's industry leading noise cancellation, because these are from the same family of WH-1000XM3, which is the overhead of Sony. They are the best noise cancelling headphones which are available in the market right now. They are Google Assistant and Alexa. They have it in built-in. The battery life over here, it's showing 6 hours plus 18 hours in the case with active noise cancellation on. So this is a really good battery life. On the back we have some certain specifications over here, and this is the headphone connect app which is required, so I'll show you that also. We have NFC which is there, we have Sense Engine from Sony, digital active noise cancellation is present, and DSWE-HX. This is the high audio quality DAC. So let's just unbox this now. Okay, so here you go. It's a really simple packaging over here. I have got this in black color. They're also available in silver, but I really like the black. So as you can see, this is where the starting pairing process is shown, where it is showing that we have to put the headset in the case to activate it. So I'll just show you. So here we go. There are the buds on the top over here. Definitely a very beautiful design. As you can see, Sony, which is engraved in gold over here. This is one of the microphones which is used for noise cancellation, and this is a laminated touchpad. Feels really good. These are the connector pins which will be used for charging, and there are no wingtips on this, but as you can see, the earbuds, they are pretty tall, so I think they'll go pretty deep in your ear canal as well. And we have this for the support on the earlobe. So these are the only 2 points of contacts with your ears, so I'll have to test out how they hold in the ears. Let's check out the case. Okay, this is definitely one of the most beautiful cases I've ever seen. Yeah, it's a little bit bulky, I would say, but it feels really premium. It is a premium headphone. This gold accent on the top looks really beautiful. Okay, so as you can see over here, this is an LED light over here and the NFC badge. So we'll just put the headphones in for the time being, and they just magnetically get sucked into the case, which is really good. So they'll hold really tight, and I'll shut this off for now. We'll just see what else is there in the box. There's an access code, and also we'll just look at it. They're just showing how to put the headphones, and these are the warranty information, so we'll keep that on the side. And here we have some extra ear tips. Okay, so we have them in two materials. These are six pairs of ear tips. One is in foam and one is in silicone. So you will have to fiddle with this, because everyone's ears is different. So for the best fit, you will definitely have to check and try one of these. It's really nice as Sony has provided so many ear tips in two different materials, so based on how people like it in their ears, they can just use it. So this is really cool. And in the end over here, we have a very small USB type A to type C charging cable, because the case charges with type C, which is really nice. So yeah guys, that was all the contents in the box. So now we'll try to connect the earbuds. I have the OnePlus 8 Pro over here, so let's just see the pairing process. Right now they are, I guess, in the pairing mode. Taking them out from the case over here. Yeah, so this is how they go in the pairing mode, guys. You have to put them in the case first after taking this out, and you will have this blue lighting. So we'll go in the Bluetooth section over here. and let's select on new pairing device. Yeah, so here we go, we have the Sony WF-1000 XM3s. Okay, so they are now connected to my device. So we'll go in the Sony Connect app. I have already downloaded it. Here we go, so that we'll see all the features which are available in the app. This is a very quick run through them. It's a very beautiful app, I would say, because it gives you so many controls. Okay, so this is the tutorials which are available. Okay, so as you can see over here, it is showing very distinctly the battery percentage of the left and the right earbuds over here. And if you click on the battery also, okay, so you have to click it over here, and you will also see the battery percentage of the case, which is really nice. When you go in the sound section, this is where you have this beautiful settings which are available. Here right now it is showing ambient sound control on. We also have the level of sound control which is required. You can have it full, or you can reduce it. So when you reduce it to complete 0, basically it moves into the noise cancelling mode. So it's really nice. You have to turn this on basically. When below there is an equalizer setting over here, you can fiddle with it. It is right now off, but there are certain predefined modes over here, which is again nice. It's a very lucrative app which is available. There is also something called as analyze the ear shape. So I think we'll have to put the earphones in your ears in order to do that. Then there's another option where you have to prioritize the stable connection or prioritize the sound quality. So I'll definitely test it out in the full review. Here we have the support for DSWHX, which is the high quality audio codecs, where it will definitely upscale the audios which are compressed in your phone, so which is really nice. And yeah, this is a very informative app as well. You can control many aspects of the headphones from this, which is really nice. And in the systems over here, there are some settings where it will allow you to pause the music when the headphones are taken out, so you can turn that on and off depending on how you like it. Now there are the touch control settings as well. So here there are various functions, and volume control has been added into this. So this was one complaint of many people, that volume control was not present on this. So now this has been added. So on the left earbud, if we tap, it will raise the volume, and if we continue pressing, it will lower the volume, which is really good. And on the right of the earbuds, we have playback controls, which is really good. So a single tap will play and pause, that is pretty standard. Double tap will take you to the next song, and triple tap will take you to the previous song. And if you continue pressing, they will launch the voice assistant of your choice, Google Assistant or Alexa, because both are built in, which is really nice. So finally, voice control has been added. It was not there previously. There's also notification and voice guide. It happens when you actually wear them in your ears. You will get some notification about the battery percentage, and also this is a really nice feature to have. There's an automatic power off feature where when the headphones are taken off, after a certain amount of time they'll turn off by default to save the battery, which is really nice. And there's some auto download of software which is there. So yeah, so this is a really good application, I would say. It will give you a lot of control on your earbuds and noise cancelling. I cannot wait to try this on my device. It's really good. And the best part about this is these are very light, because you have certain options when it comes to noise cancelling. Now obviously they won't be as good as their bigger brother, which is the overhead earphones, in terms of noise cancelling and even the volume or the sound which comes out of it. But for the size which they are, they are really compact, they are easy to carry with you. And even this case, it's not as big as I had hoped for. It charges via USB Type-C. It does not have wireless charging, which is certainly bad, but I think because of this USB Type-C anyways, it will charge faster than wireless charging, so I don't mind that so much. And the quality and the feel of the case is also really good. It will go in your pocket very easily, I would say, because of this soft plastic which is there. It feels nice, it feels good, and even the quality of the buds themselves are really good. I love them. and definitely I will test them out thoroughly and I will come up with a full review. So stay tuned for that, guys. And these actually also connect to two devices simultaneously, which is really good, which is not there in the 1000 XM3, the overhead ones. So they will easily shift between two devices, so which is really cool, and I'll definitely test that feature out as well. So yeah guys, this was my unboxing. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.